Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is red beans curry, which is very famous curry back home in India, and especially in North India, Punjab. It's normally eaten with boiled rice, and it's very simple to make. Once you make it, you're gonna love it. So let's go to the recipe and have a look what we need to make red beans curry or rajma. For making red bean curry, we will take overnight soaked red bean and put it in a pressure cooker, followed by a big bowl of water, some crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies, some crushed onion, tomato puree, we are using crushed onions, not the paste. And now I'm adding turmeric powder, some red chili powder, some cumin seeds, some salt to taste, some garam masala, and we will add some vegetable oil in the end. And now we'll mix all these ingredients and just leave it in a pressure cooker to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. So this is very quick recipe of making red beans curry, and it's really delicious. Once you make curry like this, red bean curry like this, you will definitely gonna make it again. So after 25 minutes, I'm opening my pressure cooker, and the red beans are nicely tender. But just to thicken the gravy, I will cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes on high flame by opening the lid. And I'm adding some ghee or clarified butter and some crushed fenugreek, dry fenugreek leaves, which gives really nice aroma to it. Our red bean curry is almost ready to be served. It is traditionally served with rice, boiled rice or cumin seed rice. So you can make them with this and enjoy red bean curry with rice, or also you can serve it with roti as well. My red bean curry is almost ready to be served. I'm pouring it in a bowl now, and I'll garnish with some green coriander leaves and some fresh cream on top of it. Enjoy and make this curry at home and let me know how you go. I'll see you next time with some interesting recipe. Thank you.